everyone, so as was requested, I'm going to do a house tour. You are currently looking at my front door. It might be a bit echoey because I am in the hallway, so it is a little bit messy. I'm still unpacking things, still putting things away, but it's a real house tour, so here we go. So in here is my bedroom. Still got a few things to put away in here. Closet. Again, not all my clothes are hanging up as yet. There you go. This door leads to the bathroom. Toilet in here. Not that exciting. Bathroom, which I'm very excited to say has a bath. I did get some Lush bath bombs. I have some more in the cupboard under the sink, but these ones I just put out on display. And then yesterday I went to a local company called Twisted Fizzes. They're amazing. You can order them online if you're in Australia. And I got, this one, Black Raspberry and Vanilla, is one of my absolute favourite scents from them. And if you are congested, have a bit of a cold going on, this Yuki Soother scent, oh my god, it is amazing. So I've just put them in there. I also picked up their hand soap yesterday. I did pick up this one from Kmart and filled it myself, but I don't know, I think there's something wrong with the pump. It just ends up going everywhere, and you know, standard stuff. Shower. These two here are also from Twisted Fizzes. This is the Yuki Soother whipped soap, and this is the Black Raspberry and Vanilla. Amazing. And yes, I sprained my wrist, as some of you may have seen in my other video. This door leads to the garage, and don't worry, my car always does that flicking red light. Automatic garage door, which I love, especially we've had a couple of days where it's rained, so I love it. Remote control, love it. Internet here. I need to work out some way of getting that off the floor. I don't really want to sit it on top of here because no, my luck, it'll bloody fall off and I'll break it. Oh, and there's another door over there. I don't use it. It goes out to like a little side area, which is very narrow, and sorry, shut the door. And I really go out there anyway because the house next door is like that close. It's not funny. Craft room slash whatever room at the minute. This is where I was before when I filmed my other video, so I really just kind of wanted to get a lot of my yarn up and in here. These I actually got from Kmart here in Australia. If you're looking for, you know, awesome storage, I think it was $39. I'm considering maybe getting another one. I don't know, but yeah, I've got some stuff in the cupboards. My spinning wheels are not here yet. They are both still at my mum and stepdad's house. I'm thinking about putting this actually out in the lounge room. I need to find the other little bit that goes on the bottom. I've just randomly put it in a bag and I do not know what I've done with it. But then if I count this way, and yes, you will notice when we get to the dining room, it only has one chair. I'll explain that in a minute. Laundry. Now, I have laundry that I need to do, clearly. But this washing machine, you can see it's got black marks under it, and you can see that they're not lined up. Because when it's on the spin cycle, it moves. So my stepdad is going to come and have a look at it this weekend and see if he can level up the legs on it. So as you can see, this obviously this door as well leads out there. You can get to the backyard if you go that way, and the front yard if you go that way. But like, I just don't see the point. All it is like a space. Like their garage is like there, I think. I'm pretty sure that's that there. So like what? Anyway. So linen closet slash whatever else closet. This is the dining area. Yes, I only have one chair. This dining room set my mum and stepdad gave me, it was still in the box. They didn't want to use it. The other chairs are over there. Because with this, it's very, very difficult to try and put the screws in the chair. So again, I'm hoping my stepdad will put the rest together for me if I'm lucky. As you can see, there's more of those stones out the other side. There is a little gate that you can go out through there. There's like walking tracks and stuff around here as well. And if you go that way, it leads to the front. You can get, there's like no actual side gates to separate the front yard and the backyard, which is fine. Obviously I don't have pets, so this shelf is just kind of a bit of a random shelf at the moment. I think I'm still going to leave it there, but yeah. So kitchen, yes, I have dishes in the sink because I've been doing meal prep today, and I also just made myself iced coffee. Pantry, nothing too exciting. Oven, dishwasher, which I'm yet to use, microwave, fridge. There's a lot of storage, but it doesn't really accommodate short people. Like, how am I supposed to reach up there? Hence why there's nothing up there. Like, anyway. So, more randomness. This couch, you may remember, it is the one from my mum and stepdad's house. They gave it to me because they didn't want it anymore. They have the two like separate recliner chairs still, but I've got this. So, and I've got all my oak look furniture. As I said in the other video, I got some of my projects out of storage. Coffee table, TV. I'm currently charging my Nintendo Switch console. I also have my Switch Lite because I figured I may as well get the one that I can play on the TV as well. This is my little shelf here. I also got they do melts, Twisted Fizzes, so I got the Yuki Soother. It smells amazing. I come back from the supermarket this morning and I could smell this as soon as I walked in. And of course, black raspberry and vanilla. So, yeah, this is the backyard. There is a clothesline here, and there's also one around the side of the house, but I am yet to use the one around the side of the house. So, yeah, there is a little bit of lawn. It needs to be mowed, but anyway. There is obviously another window here, but I have it shut. This is a flat pack box central. So yeah, this is my little townhouse. So still unpacking things, still organizing things, but it's kind of how it goes. And I have all of my Starbucks pods in this thing I got from Amazon. I love buying things from Amazon Australia. So yeah, this is my little townhouse. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Oh, and one thing that I'm so glad that I purchased is the new NutriBullet. This is the 1200 series, which is like the most powerful one that they have. Love it. It's my favorite, one of my favorite things in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.